We'll guide you through how to install MongoDB via Docker. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, ensure your Docker desktop app is actively running. Next, open up PowerShell or your preferred terminal application. To store your files safely, create a persistent volume by typing the command to create a Docker volume named mongo_data. Begin the Docker run command by instructing the system to run the container quietly in detached mode. Add a recognizable container name with the instruction to name it my-mongo-db. Next, map the database network port by linking port 27017 on your computer directly to that same internal port. Keep your database secure by establishing the root username using an environment variable configured as admin. After that, establish the root password by setting a second environment variable configured as super secret. Mount the persistent volume by securely linking your mongo_data volume to the internal data DB directory. Finish your instruction by adding the official Mongo image name and requesting the latest version. This complete command combines the detached run instruction, container name, port mapping, security variables, volume mount, and image name into one line. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to execute the command and start up the database container. Then verify it is running by typing the standard Docker process status command. With your database completely operational, open the MongoDB Compass application or any preferred database client on your computer. When it loads, choose the option to create a brand new connection. Input your connection settings into the fields by setting the host to localhost, entering the port as 27017, typing the username as admin, and inputting your password as super secret. Finally, click the Connect button to successfully access your new database.